peace upon you guys, but I need your help. Okay, I got a separate motors, uh, a power supply, 12 volt output, 5 amperes. I got a G shield with controller, CNC shield with controller. It hooked up to Arduino, it hooked up to my PC, but I need your help, guys. I need your help to show me how to wire these separate motors, the order of the wiring, because I don't get it, how to wire it, black to black, red to red, polar or non-polar. I need your help, you guys. I need your help. Please help me. I got everything hooked up. I got the Arduino IDE. I got the universal G code sender. I got everything, but I didn't get it. Please help me, guys. Just please help me. Please help me. Cause believe me, I don't know how to say it. I'm confused. I'm a little confused in here. Just help me, guys, please. Here the wiring. Focus. Yeah. There we are. And here we are. How to hook it? I don't know.